In this video, I'm going to explain why I uploaded 5 videos in 5 days on the same topic, and that's coming up right now. Just recently, LinkedIn released a brand new feature, and that is the ability for us all now to start creating polls. So I did a quick Google search trying to look for any video content around LinkedIn polls, and there was barely any at all. The last videos were going back years and years and years. So I had a light bulb moment, and I thought this is a breakout opportunity for me to get ahead of everyone else and start creating lots of short, sharp videos on this brand new LinkedIn feature, being LinkedIn polls. So the idea of the exercise was to have all of my videos recorded, uploaded online, and already ranking in Google and YouTube. Because over the next few days and weeks and months, more and more people are going to start Googling or looking on YouTube for information regarding the brand new feature being LinkedIn polls. And if I've done everything correctly, hopefully I'm going to dominate the search results. I'm going to be ranking up the top or near enough to the top, and all of that will help grow my business and my brand. Now, pretty much everyone can do it within their own industry as well. So no matter what products or services or industry you're involved in, the idea can be replicated across every particular business and industry. So let's go to some live screen action now, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did. We'll also look for those videos, see how they've been performing as well. So grab a pen, grab a coffee, and we will dive into that right now.
So here we are on my YouTube channel, Mark Warnkin, Social Media Selling 123. And as always, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and tick the bell icon to stay up to date with all of my weekly social media for business content. And here to see for everyone is my last 5 videos that I recorded. 5 videos in 5 days, all on the same topic. Now that topic happened to be all about LinkedIn's new polling feature. LinkedIn polls question and answer, new LinkedIn features, LinkedIn polling from mobile, LinkedIn polling from company page, create a LinkedIn poll. And the idea of that exercise is, and everyone can replicate this, is to create and have lots of content online ahead of a new product launch or a new feature launch for your own business or brand now, or whatever the upcoming event may be. Now, think of it along the lines of a content blitz. Now, I've had other people describe it as content stacking, but the idea is to be ahead of the curve, to be ahead of everyone else. And in my case, it's 5 videos in 5 days just after the new launch of LinkedIn's polling feature. Now, at the time of LinkedIn releasing their polling feature, there was only a few videos online as well, and these all went back from years and years and years. People had worked out various other ways how to create polls and use a Google Chrome extension to do it. This particular video here was ranking. It had 1,000 views, but it was recorded 8 months ago. This particular one here was recorded 7 years ago. This particular one was recorded 8 years ago. But you can now see when I've done the screenshot, my video has started to be populated amongst these. But think of this video here, the first one, then the third one, and the fourth one. They were the type of videos that were online around LinkedIn's polling feature, all very old, all many, many years ago. So I thought, hey, there's an opportunity for me to start ranking ahead of everyone. So think of it another way. It becomes a bit of a supply and demand. When more and more people start searching for a feature or a product or a service, whoever has the content there online can start dominating. Now, some of you might be thinking, Mark, what is the LinkedIn polling feature? Or you might even be thinking, Mark, polling has been available across websites and blog articles and Facebook and YouTube and various other platforms for years and years and years. And you are correct. That's right. It has been across all these other platforms. LinkedIn have been a little bit slow in the update. But here is my LinkedIn timeline, and here is a poll from Raul Sanchez, and he's doing a poll. If I click translation, what's this one all about? We're launching a show. Let's see how this blah, 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 blah. Anyway, a little bit too long, but that is the LinkedIn polling in real life on my LinkedIn timeline. I'm quite sure if I scroll down my timeline, I'm going to come across a few more polls within a relatively short period of time. Can you vote on your own LinkedIn survey? Well, here we go. Yes, you can. Yes, only if it's your voice first. No, I can't. I don't know why. Yes, always. Anyway, I voted on that one, 29%, and you can see how the poll works in action and real life. Here we go. How many hashtags work well for getting visibility when it comes to current LinkedIn algorithms? 4, I tag sparingly. I tag as much as I can. Well, they should have given me another option. I would say I've actually done a video on this, and I will link the video in the comment section below. I always say 3 to 5. So I'm going to tick 4 on this one. 60% of people, there we go. It is right in the sweet spot, 3 to 5. So that is the LinkedIn polling feature in action. So how is all of this translating into views and my channel growing? Okay, now I've done this for 2 reasons. I've done it for the initial burst that people are going to start searching for the LinkedIn polling. But all of these 5 videos that I've recorded and upload, these are now going to be online my YouTube channel, online Google search forever and a day. So 300 views, 100, 80, 70, and 50. Bearing in mind, they've all only been online just over a week or so. And I will grant you, this topic of LinkedIn polling is not going to be overly popular for people to do lots of searching on it. But what I wanted to do, I wanted to test this exercise of creating a content blitz on 3 to 5 videos on a new particular topic, get it online so I could see the result, so I can learn from the result, and I could teach you all there in YouTube and Google Land as well how to do exactly the same thing. So I'm probably a little bit disappointed with the number of views I've had, but while saying, these are going to be greenfield videos, meaning they're going to be online now forever. And I'm quite sure over the next weeks and months, these views will all tip 1,000 or so and beyond. And all of this will help grow my own business and brand. They will also help grow my YouTube channel, which is part of the exercise as well. So let me show you actually some of the results on how my videos have fared in regard to where are they appearing on YouTube search and Google search as well. So here is a couple of screenshots of me searching on YouTube regarding the new LinkedIn polling feature. And you can see straight away my thumbnails are very visual, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So I am holding 4 of the 6 top ranking positions on YouTube under the search term LinkedIn polling. Now, just in case anyone is wondering, I wasn't logged into YouTube at the time, and I had cleared my cookies as well. And this is the result that it gave me. Now, this will vary for every different person who does a search on Google or YouTube. It's not going to be the same for everyone. Now, another example one, I Googled new LinkedIn polling feature. 1st page of Google right at the top. 3rd result, my 3 videos have appeared in a row. And you can see right down the bottom, the first one is only a day, 4 days, 3 days ago. So this is how powerful this feature can be. I spent a little bit of time and effort once, and now my videos are online, and think how you're going to replicate it for your business, your products, your services. And if we do everything correctly, these are the type of results all of us can achieve. Now, another particular screenshot I took, it was a Google search, and then I clicked the video tabs under the search term LinkedIn polling. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Now, these rankings may change over time. That doesn't mean I'm always going to be atop of the rankings. And for some of others who are searching for this term, my videos may not even appear high in the rankings. It's a specific search, LinkedIn determine, or sorry, Google and YouTube determine the algorithm and put in front of me the most relevant content. And the final screenshot I'm going to show you again is LinkedIn polling. Again, 3 particular videos, front and center, right at the top of the Google search. But let's go do some live YouTube searching now and see where my videos are ranking again, which is a few days later after all of these videos have been uploaded. So as I type in new LinkedIn polling, let's see where my videos are ranking as of today, a few days after all of my videos were launched. So here we go. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So I'm 5 of the top, 5 of the top 7. This was a video. See, this particular video still 8 months ago. It has authority, it has credibility under the Google and YouTube search. So that's why it is ranking. But you can see how visual all of my videos are now appearing. Let's try a different searching term. So if I key in LinkedIn polls, let me see. I'm first, I am 5th, and 6th and 7th. So each time you do a particular search, and each time I do the search, not logged in or using someone else's browser, a different combination will appear. But the idea of the exercise is my thumbnail stand out, my title stands out. I have 5 videos ranking on Google, ranking on YouTube. No doubt they're ranking in Google as well. The idea of the exercise is to have a content blitz, to have some content stacking. So when someone is searching for it, I appear high in the rankings. Now, I want you all to start, racking your brain, starting to think how you might start replicating this across your own business and brand as well. So there we go. Hopefully it has opened your eyes, inspired you, given you ideas. Your brain is now in overdrive. You're thinking, Mark, this is something we can use for our own business and brand. We have a new product launch coming up soon. What I'd like you to do is to go to the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. Let me know your thoughts on this particular strategy. Equally, and more importantly, I want you to take action, and I want you to let me know of some of your results. By all means, tag me in your videos, tag me in LinkedIn, tag me in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Let me help promote you, your business and brand. Let me help promote some of the successes you're having in your business after getting some ideas, getting some inspiration from some of my video content. Thanks for tuning in.